Well, here we are. Possibly, wrong button. Possibly a bit loud. So let's... I don't know, maybe. I'll see how this works. Here we are. And I'm not really ready for this, but here we go. Oh, what's this mean? Blue? Bear? Pink? Purple? What was that? What was that? What was that? I'd like to know. I'll just go with blue because it's the original. Maybe I will turn down the volume a bit. I think that's a good idea. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Press any key to continue. True. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is... Wait. Is this a cup?
Hey, sweetie. Did you finish
It is a
your lunch
cup.
already?
Okay. Oh. Well, there that
Careful.
goes.
It might break.
Yeah, I think it did. It definitely broke.
Now
Definitely.
it'll only be a minute. Mommy
play with
just has
ball.
to make sure that the cake is perfect.
Well, I can't really play all that much. Come back here. Abacus. Or whatever your name is. Is that it?
Let's
Ooh.
see.
Wait, I get... So,
There
you're making me a cake? Is it my
and
birthday?
There.
Also, what is
Perfect.
that? I know that...
Oh, look at you. You're
that's a
so
great cake.
adorable in your tiny-footed pajamas.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I like your necklace.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wow,
This is a lot of cake though for 2 years, yeah. What's this?
I think I know a little someone who's ready for some cake.
Do you want ball? Here.
Chugga chugga chugga
Here,
chugga
have
choo
ball.
choo.
Have ball. Oh, thanks. Oh, that sounded like a
Here
very
it comes through the tunnel.
I'm just
Choo
having that
choo.
cake. No. Your eyes look a bit bloodshot. You okay?
I'll be right back.
Man, you're real nervous. Where are you going? What's that sound? What's happening? Hey, oh no, is it, who? What? What are you saying?
No.
Oh.
Hey,
Oh, hey, what was that?
look what I found.
Yeah, you found that, huh? You found that.
I wonder what it is.
Wait.
Why don't we go upstairs and find out?
Okay. Thanks.
Oh my, how much cake did you have?
A spoonful. Just one.
Mm-hmm.
That shouldn't affect my weight all that much. Oh man, you're awfully close and your eyes are kind of spooking me. In fact, you're just kind of spooky. Okay, I'm gonna look at your necklace. Okay, well, never mind. You're gonna not disallow me to. Nice globe. Ooh! Krillbite Studio. Well, that's cool. That's not... Hey, Mom, there's a darkness. It's following me. Mom, it's evil. It's coming for me. Oh, we walked into a closet. Oh, hey. Oh, well. Krillbite Studio presents... What do they present? Among the Sleep? It's coming for me. Among the Sleep. So, am I gonna have some sort of terrifying, horrible nightmare? With shadow beasts. I'm assuming. Yeah, that is a really great necklace. What is that? Amber?
Here we are. Now let's see what's inside.
I have a nice room.
Maybe it's a new toy.
Oh, maybe. What is it? What is it? I gotta find out. Oh, it's a teddy bear. What? No,
Okay,
you better
sweetie,
not.
Be a dear and play for a bit.
Wait,
Mommy
I want
will
my
be right
I want
back.
my teddy. Can I have it? I want my bear. Okay, well. Well, okay. She used the force to close the door. She just kind of touched it like... Well, okay. I got letter blocks. Letters. I got a larger... Why is this ball everywhere? It was on the table. It's now here, and I don't know. It's probably going to show up somewhere else. I bet. I've got nice drawings. Look at me, an artist, once again. I was once a baby. Are we the same person? I'm a parkour baby. Well, that's kind of open now. Can I just... Well, okay, well, I guess it's... Man, this baby's strong. Kapow, pow, pow. But couldn't I just grab it like this? I want my teddy. Well, I'm officially scared. There's nothing in there. When there was previously. Hi. What's so funny?
Hey, you found me.
I did.
My name is
what?
Teddy.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, get
Hey,
back in there, yeah.
what's your name?
My name... Get back in,
Not much of a
go.
talker yet,
Yeah,
eh?
I don't talk. I might go, ah!
Let's play a game.
Or, eh. Are you
I
corporeal?
know. I'll hide the pink elephant while you're
How are you
not
gonna get up to
looking.
the pink elephant? Let me see this.
Come here. Turn around and cover your eyes.
Well, you know, I'll take that down for you so you can see it. Yeah. You are one annoying box. Like, can I not? Like, I'm stuck. Well, okay. Oh, that's not the right button. Elephant's there. It's gonna be gone, right?
There.
Okay.
You can look now.
Well, you came from over there, so... Let's do this.
Warmer.
Warmer.
Getting
Oh,
warmer.
I see bowling. I'm gonna do that first.
Colder.
Well, I'm terrible.
Pretty
It's
warm.
colder over there. Ooh, warm. Oh, I found it. I'm gonna be careful.
Super warm.
You can't. I can't. You don't do it. Don't do it. You better not do it.
You found it.
I want my elephant. I love my elephant. It's not a corporeal ghost being like you.
Wow. Is that a music box?
Where?
Does it work?
Oh, I see it. I see it. Come on. Come on, I gotta name you. Perfect landing. Okay, I think I actually do gotta... You're pushing me! Okay, let's get right up on. Okay. Do you like it?
That's a nice melody.
Thank you. I made that myself in my I don't know what I was doing there. Hey buddy, I like this elephant. And
Try hitting those pins with the bowling ball.
where did the bowling ball go? Is it back here? Oh. Yeah, I can't get it. So saving.
What's this?
What's what? Where are you? Oh, you're over. You were so disinterested in my bowling
5
skills.
thirsty animals upon a dry hill.
Yeah, come on, let's do this.
We could use a drink, they sang and started to drill. Unless we reach water with our newly dug well, I think we'll have to bid each other fare thee well.
Well, that's the dark Seuss. That doesn't sound... You're very strange. Get away from my elephant. You
Does it
seem...
run? How do you start it?
I don't know how to start it. Is this a button? Let me just get that away, out of the way.
Round, round, and
Round and
round.
round and round. Stop.
Hey, pick me up and carry me on your back. I want to show you something.
No, stop, stop. I don't want it. Okay, there we go. Is your head backwards? It's not. Okay, I thought your head was backwards for a second, and I
We
was
need
very
someplace
scared.
very dark.
Why do we need a place very dark? Are we gonna go in my closet? Are you gonna turn into a
How
monster in my
about
closet?
your closet?
How did I know? Come on, I need you for protection. Let's go, let's go. Woo! Yeah. I have to move this, I'm assuming. I'm strong, baby. Strong 2-year-old. I'm a toddler, so I guess. Yeah, that's... There's nothing in this closet. There's not even a rail. How do you put anything in this closet? It's impossible. Okay, let's go in the closet.
It has to be darker. Shut the doors completely.
Well, I'll say this is going to be my introduction to the series. When I
It
close
has to
this
be
door,
darker. Shut the doors completely.
fine.
Good. This will do nicely.
I don't... What the heck? There's...
I hope there are no monsters in
Okay, you
here.
know what? Where's my elephant? Where's my elephant?
If you ever feel scared
I can't
in
exit.
a dark place like
No, my
this,
elephant.
you can hug me
Phillip?
tightly.
I'm naming it
You
Phillip.
might feel
Phillip?
a little bit safer.
How do I do that? You know what? I'm gonna stop it right here because, what is that? What is this? Why is... I'm assuming this is my imagination. It's a coat. Not for my size. There's another one. Oh, I don't like
We're
this.
supposed to be here.
I
You
don't
must
think so
be
either.
Careful. I don't like this.
That's not right. Oh, this is... Oh, what is... Oh, why is there so many coats? Hello? Hello? Who's there? Do I hear what?
Something's coming.
My elephant.
You are.
Hello?
What are you doing in the
Hi, Mom.
closet?
Hi, Mom.
Oh, are you playing with your new friend?
I am.
Hello, Mr. Bear. Nice to
Hi.
meet you. How are you today?
I've made a wonderful discovery.
You've got to stop hiding from Mommy.
Oh, okay.
I hope you had a good birthday, hon.
I did. I got to
Mommy would
discover
be
that
very
all
sad
of
if you
everything
didn't.
in my life is my imagination, except for Philip the elephant,
And
because
now it's time for
you know
bed.
I'm gonna hold Philip forever.
If you go to sleep now, you can wake
Hi.
up early tomorrow and play with your
There's a
friend
elephant
all
on your
day.
bed. Okay. Okay, Mom.
Every little boy and girl are sleeping now, all over the world.
No.
And they're waiting just for you.
Okay.
We shouldn't keep them.
Got it. Well,
Good night, hon.
it's sleepy sleep time.
Dreams.
Yes, sweet dreams, sweet dreams. I'm gonna pause right here because I'm getting close to 14 minutes, or I've just entered 14 minutes. So I shall stop this and then just record another time, another go. See ya next one. That was spooky.